It's no secret that RV Life Trip Wizard is an incredible platform to plan trips. In this video, we're going to go over a few ways that you can add a personal touch and make RV Life Trip Wizard a little more tuned towards your needs. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV-safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. And a big one is, don't let your RV Life Pro subscription cancel. You can just set the payment to auto and it will take care of the rest. The sheer value you get out of an RV Life Pro subscription is well worth it. I tend to look at it like cut somewhere else and keep the subscription active. You may not use it right away, but it's there if you do. And RV Life Trip Wizard doesn't need to be used exclusively for RVs. You can plan a trip with any vehicle. Let's add a vehicle by going to your account settings, your RV garage, and here you have your list of RVs and vehicles. Let's add an RV. Here you're able to pick your style of RV, whether it's a motorhome or a trailer. Let's edit an RV that is in our garage. This is where we will upload a photo of our RV just to make it a little more personal. And we're gonna center it, save the changes, looking good. Beautiful. And why just plan one trip? With the Trip Wizard interface, you're able to plan multiple trips. Plan a trip, set it to tentative, and when you're ready, go. Or plan multiple trips and just see what's out there and what the trip could possibly cost. And while you're at it, look into some campgrounds, read some reviews, see what people have actually paid to stay there. And if you're on your route and you know you're gonna need fuel, which we all do, right-click the map and check fuel prices. Add fuel stops, add points of interest. There's just so much that you can do to make it yours. Plan that perfect trip, share it with your convoy, share it with your friends. Did someone send you a trip or did you come across a trip? Click it and add it. It'll be added to your tentative trips, and when you're ready, go. With a powerful tool like RV Life Trip Wizard and the entire RV Life Pro suite of tools, you are sure to get your value. It's there when you need it. And with constant active updates and a very, very passionate crew behind the scenes making this thing possible, you can expect nothing but the best. And that includes an entire support team that reads feedback, reads reviews, reads feature requests. Well, that's going to do it for this video, and if you got any value out of it, and I hope you did, please smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.